already you people are the part of another hall.
Yes, sir.
है ना?
For as a manager, so I thought communication skill is very must for this.
Ultimate goal, Anjali.
Okay, so
Anjali, you have invested some time with us, right?
Yes.
So what do you feel that what have you learned here till now?
So we have done so many activities like storytelling, group discussion, and hot seat activity. So every activity was good, and I have learned so many things. Like sometimes I feel I have boosted my confidence, and I have learned so many things.
Okay, this is the one thing what we have learned. That is there any particular activity with that you align? You feel yeah, this is the good. I get more confidence doing it, participating in it.
Okay, I like the activity which we are doing on Saturday.
Okay,
Like on the every Saturday we are doing different kind of activities like hot seat activities, and I think it's like a interview preparation. So I think this was good. This was good.
this is okay. The purpose you joined to us. You feel that you are getting fulfilled it somewhere.
Yes.
I feel that, right?
Yes,
Okay.
I
Are you
feel.
working somewhere?
Yes, I'm working.
What is your job profile there?
So right now I'm working as a quality analyst in content moderation.
So exactly what do you do there?
Okay, so we have to perform quality auditing, and apart from this, we have to done so many tasks like we have to take feedback sessioning on the basis of errors, and we have a team of 30 people, and we have to audit their samples like each people we have to audit 20 to 23 samples, and every errors we have to give them feedbacks.
When did you join that company?
Okay,
Huh?
I joined that company in 2019 as a senior, as an analyst, and after 2 years or after 3 years, I got promoted as senior.
In the
Senior,
same company?
yes, in the
Wow.
same company as senior analyst, and in 2024 November, I think last of November, I got promoted as quality analyst.
Okay. So are you happy over there?
Yes, I'm happy.
In near future, you are planning to just switch that job or not?
Yes, yes. Now I'm planning for switch my job because I'm not satisfied with my pay scale.
Okay.
So I think I'm planning to switch my job.
It has been already almost 5 years you have invested at the same place.
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
So it means that you have established yourself one of the strong employee of that company.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We can say this.
Okay, right. Good. In future, have you ever thought I would start my own venture of something? Generally, these days, girls they feel in that that manner that they have to be entrepreneur and something like. So,
Yes,
are you one of
sometime,
them?
yes, yes. Sometime I want to start my business in a food industry.
Okay.
Actually, I love to cooking. I love to make different foods. So sometimes I'm thinking
You feel
like
that you can start it. So, have you some experience? Have you learned it somewhere from somewhere? You have
no,
worked in
no,
that
no,
industry?
no, no. It's just my hobby.
It's just a hobby.
Yes.
Where you belong from?
Okay, I'm belong. My
Where belong
roots.
to?
My roots from Bihar,
Okay.
and I'm born and brought up from Delhi.
What do you like about your native state?
Okay, so I think
Huh.
Bihar is famous for their cultural activity, and the people who lives in Bihar, they are, you know, they are very, they are speaking in a very politely way, and they given respect to their elders. So I like the most.
When did you visit there last time?
Last time, last year I went Bihar.
So
Uh,
was there any occasion and you just visit? Normally you visit there every
no,
year.
no. I went there for a marriage.
Okay, and a ceremony was there.
Yes,
So
yes.
how was your overall experience there?
Overall experience was not good
Okay,
because
what is the reason?
I went there with my daughter,
Okay,
and she's
She is very small, right?
yes,
Oh,
yes. So she is not happy in that environment, and she became very sick at that time.
Mhm.
So
So it ruined your trip over there, eh?
yes.
That's time around. Now, what is her age?
Next month she will become 2 years old.
She will become 2 years, right?
Yes.
So being a working woman, it's really difficult to look after the children, but that is also important part. At
Yes,
this
sir.
age, she requires your attention, your
Yes,
care. So
my
how do you
presence.
manage? How do you manage it?
Sir, it was very difficult for me to manage all the things at the same time. Like I have to manage my house, my home, my husband, my daughter, and my job also. So I have to wake up early in the morning to make breakfast and
Sabah?
something. And after that, I left my house and then I reached to my home around 6 p.m. and after that I came here and then after left my class then I have to make dinner.
So many things you have to do,
Yes,
and
I have
in
lots of responsibilities on my shoulder.
uh, and among these all things you have decided to enhance your communication skills. So
Yes,
this
sir.
challenge you have also taken, and I
Yes.
noticed that whether it rains or any kind of weather it out, but you are regular. That's amazing.
Yes,
And
sir.
so many female who gets when they get marry actually, and they just compromise with their desire, their wish, aspiration, but you are not one of them, right?
Yes, sir.
So what is your ultimate goal, Anjali?
Okay, so I want to become more professional and become as a lead or as a manager. So I thought communication skill is very must for this. So whenever I see someone who is speaking English and has a brilliant confidence, so I thought I have to work on this. So I thought I have to join this class. So I'm here.
Have you ever visited? Have you ever performed in a seminar hall? This is our seminar hall basically, no? And have you ever performed into that or not?
No.
You have not got chance to perform, right? Because
Yes.
we already, you people are the part of another hall.
Yes, sir.
है ना?
Yes.
But they would be here when you have to perform here front of 100 and 150 people. So are you ready for that?
Yes, I'm ready.
And don't you feel that, yeah, how would I perform? So any kind of hesitation now you still feel or not? You believe it's okay, I will do it.
Okay, I think little bit of nervousness we have, but I think I can perform. Now I
Amazing,
can perform.
amazing. Best of luck for future.